Ladies and gentlemen, I gave you the African blue flycatcher. Such a small, beautiful bird, 18 centimeters, I think. They live in pairs or a group of maybe 7, even less, but they never live alone. Even these two, this one had a companion on the other side. They kept exchanging spots in the hopes of probably confusing me. Yeah. These are probably African birds, actually. They're found in Africa, sub-Saharan, I think, southern or something, southern Africa. But this is Uganda, so it's my first time to actually see this. Maybe I've seen it before, I just never noticed. That's the problem with us. We have too many of these things. We just never take a moment to appreciate them or even understand them.
What are they protecting?
You know,
because no matter what, they are not leaving that spot.
It's the most beautiful bird I've seen. Actually, it's not. I have seen a couple of other species that's very pretty. Yeah, enjoy the video. Enjoy the beautiful, beautiful bird.
What are they protecting? Because no matter what, they are not leaving that spot. It's a beautiful